Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the house template so you don't need to build your house from zero in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to the solo build. Okay, and wait, it's still loading. And you need to get the template first guys. You can get the template from completing a quest. Again, you can go to this template menu. Okay, and I'm going to go to the structure template. Okay, this is for the landscape template, but I haven't unlocked it yet. And then for the room and for the structure. And then you just need to select the structure that you want. For example, this one, natural woodcraft courtyard, just like this. You can click on the template and then you can place the house on your plot. But wait, where is it? Okay, so this is the house, but I cannot place it because I haven't unlocked more plot. Yeah, just like this. You can place it anywhere that you want. Yeah, just like this guys. And once you're done, you just need to click on this check mark, but I don't want to do that because I still need to unlock more plots for this template. Yeah, using the template, you don't need to start building your house from zero. Okay, I'm just going to cancel it. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the house template in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.